Model: 2011 Volkswagen Transporter T30 180PS BiTDI long wheelbase, 2.0. Body: silver, crew cab. Mileage: 173671. MOT: the 2nd of July 2024. Engine: 1968 cc 2.0 TDI 180 PSD. Transmission: 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Check engine light on the dash. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: 4 former keepers, part service history, EU status, Euro 5. HPI, Cat N in 20